Lucille, honey, I hope you really liked the restaurant and also the dinner. It was just amazing. Everything was beautiful, Patrick. What a wonderful night. It's very late and everybody has left. We should go now before they close the restaurant. Don't worry. And by the way, people say this is the most romantic restaurant in the city. I suppose so. I have never come to such a luxury restaurant. Have you? No, me neither. But I investigated a little and I wanted us to come here for dinner. And I appreciate it so much. You have been so romantic since we first met. So, do you still remember how we met then? Because it was 5 years ago. Of course I remember. It was 5 years ago, but I remember that moment very well. I remember I saw you in that classroom for the first time. You were really beautiful. Oh, when I saw you the first time, I've never imagined we would end up together. What? Why? I know you didn't like me at first, but I am very funny, though. You are really funny, that's true. But I just wanted to be your friend. I told you so. Yeah, I remember. To be honest, I had a crush on you since the very first sight. Oh, don't be silly. Don't tell me you had imagined we could be a couple. No way. I just wondered if such a beautiful girl like you will ever be my girlfriend. Well, if you hadn't talked to me first, I wouldn't have probably talked to you either. And I'm happy I had done that. We used to be very good friends, remember? Yeah, I remember. We used to get along really well since the first day of class. I never got bored when I was by your side. We always talked and talked for hours. We really did. We were spending so much time together. That was weird. Yeah, you even had a problem with your boyfriend because of me. Yeah, he thought I was cheating on him with you because we were very close friends. Yep, because we used to see each other every day since morning till the evening. That is because we studied the same career in the same university and in the same class. Yeah, you were very lucky, by the way. You wouldn't have passed without my help. Seriously, don't you remember I had to help you with your final exams? Well, maybe sometimes, but I gave you a sandwich every time you helped me. Now that I think about it, it wasn't enough. I should have asked for more. And then one day I asked you to be my girlfriend. No, you kissed me first. Then you asked me to be your girlfriend. Don't you remember? Oh yeah, but it was because you still had a boyfriend and I didn't want to... Yeah, right. You know, I already liked you, So I wanted to be only with you. By the way, where's this boyfriend of yours? What was his name? Alexander? I don't have any idea. By the time you kissed me, he had already traveled abroad. Yeah, you know that was never going to work, since you were not together. Yeah, maybe you're right, but I broke up with him immediately after what happened. You used to tell me you felt guilty about that. Do you still feel like that or not anymore? No, I don't feel bad about that anymore. I think I took the correct decision. What do you mean you think? So, you're not sure if you took the right decision then? Okay, don't be silly. You know what I mean. After all, I fell in love with you. I was in love with you since we started being friends, and I was so happy you said yes. Well, it wasn't easy at all. We went through many problems in our relationship. I know, and you were always very patient with me. Thank you for that. You compensated that with your jokes and being so romantic with me. I like that. It's been 5 years since the first time we saw each other, and you became part of my life. Those were difficult, but the most beautiful years of my life. I love you so much. I love you so much too. And that's why today it is a special day for us. You know that? Obviously, we are celebrating our anniversary. It is important. Yes, but also I have something important to ask you today. Right now. What do you have to ask me? Do you want me to pay for the dinner now? What? No, why would I ask you to do that right now? I mean, what? Well, it wouldn't be the first time you make this kind of jokes, since you are like that. Haha, no. I want to ask you something really, really important. You're so mysterious. What is that you want to ask me? You know I love you so much, and since the first time I met you, I wanted to be with you. Oh, don't be silly. Are you really? No, I don't think so. What? You have become a very important part of my life, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. And that's why I've been thinking about it, and I can't wait to ask you this, my love. Will you do me the immense honor of becoming my wife and my partner? Oh my God, are you serious, Patrick? Or this is another of your jokes? It might sound cheesy, but you're the one I've been waiting for my whole life. Oh my God, of course, I will marry you. You make me the happiest woman. And you make me the happiest man on earth. Love you so much, my eternal love. I hope you really liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more with this video, Please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, if you have any idea for a next video, just write it on the comments. Take care.